Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss about the normal goods. Basically, normal goods are those goods when income increases, their demand increases, and when income decreases, their demand decreases. So they are positively related with income. So when income is increasing here, y is showing income. When your income increases, demand for these good increases, or when income decreases, demand for normal good decreases. So anything which is positively related with your income, that particular good is said to be normal good. Basically, normal goods are vary from person to person as the income level in the society is vary from person to person. So, normal good example is vary from person to person. So, in case of income effect is positive in case of normal good. As I mentioned here, that income increases, demand is increasing, income decreases, demand is also decreasing. They both are moving in same direction. So, in case of income effect is positive for normal goods and price effect is negative in case of normal goods. So when price increases, demand decreases, or when price decreases, demand increases. They both are moving in opposite direction. So price effect is negative in case of normal goods. So basically, in case of normal good, we can see the example of when you have low level of income, you prefer on public transport. So when your income increases, now you have buy your own car or your bike. So in this way, the bike will become your normal good. So when income is increasing, you are increasing demand for these goods, and when your income increases, you are decreasing, or you are preferring less to travel on the public transport. So in this way, the public transport will be inferior goods according to you. As I mentioned before that normal good is vary from person to person as the income level of the individual is varying from person to person. So normal good examples are different from person to person. But anything any commodity whose demand increases with increase in your income, and the goods demand decreases with decrease in your income, that good would be normal good according to your preference or according to your choice. And when price is increasing and you are decreasing the demand for any product, that is called normal good according to you. So basically these are the examples of normal. And we can also take the example of sales in malls on branded goods. Basically, when sales offer in malls on different branded goods, people uh, are more willing to buy that product. So, in when there is sales offered on different products on branded good, they are basically selling their product at a lower price in the normal routine. So, more people are willing to buy those products. So sales in mall on branded goods are called to be or are said to be the example for normal goods.